Meet Kamlakar Prabha, or he is Kamal to all of us. He comes from a Telugu family and he grew up in Jamshedpur, also known as Tata Nagar, in the state of Jharkhand. Kamal's area of profession is in the information technology business and he lives in Hyderabad. He was fond of singing Hindi movie songs right from his childhood, but could start learning formal classical music only later on in life, approximately 6 years ago. Kamal's interest in Indian film music and ghazals draws from his family and friends. He is part of a band or a musical club in the residential society that he lives in. Kamal has been learning Hindustani vocal at Shankar Mahadevan Academy for the past 4 years. And he shares a fun fact about himself. In his childhood, when his sister learned Carnatic vocals from a home tutor, Kamal would sit and listen to the songs while doing his homework. And later, to the surprise of everyone, he would sing everything that she had been learning. Over to you, Kamal.
I'd like to add something here. I don't know if my sister's there online, but her teacher used to be, surprised when I used to sing all the songs as a child. He used to say that, he used to tell my father that, you're paying for one student and your two children are learning. So that's how he used to joke. So.
Okay, we can go ahead and begin the program.
Sure, sir. So, a very good evening to all. And it's an honor to actually be the singer or the performer for today for SMA Nirvana. I would like to take the opportunity to thank Shankar Mahadevan Academy, Krish sir, who actually spearheads the Nirvana initiative, my teacher Mohit ji, who's actually put in a lot of hard work to teach me music and correct my mistakes and time to time give me these opportunities. So thankful to him, and of course my friends and family who support me. And I can see some of my music group people here, and would like to welcome them and thank them for being here. So I would like to start with a small thought I had about music itself. So कहते हैं कि संगीत हर चीज़ में है. So वो ऐसा है कि संगीत अगर आप सुनोगे तो बारिश की बूंदों में है, चिड़ियों की चहचहाने में है, और बहते हुए पानी में है, और सारे ब्रह्मांड में ही है. राइट. सो जैसे संगीत के स्वरों की उतार चढ़ाव से संगीत बनती है, सुरों के उतार चढ़ाव से संगीत बनती है, वैसे ही ज़िंदगी में भी काफ़ी सारे उतार चढ़ाव से ही ज़िंदगी बनती है. कभी ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम सिर्फ चढ़ाव पे हैं या उतार पे हैं. सो आज का जो थीम मैंने चुना है वो ज़िंदगी है. इट इज़ लाइक ओवरऑल लाइफ. And most of the songs that you will hear from me are towards that. So ऐसे ही मैंने I've tried to compile a few of my favorite songs, and in the interim if you would like to say something, maybe we'll interact during the entire session. So with that I will start with a Ganesh Vandana, and this is dedicated to, of course, Lord Ganesha. Because when we begin something, we invoke Lord Ganesha. Along with that, this is close to my heart because it's been composed and sung by Shankar Mahadevan ji himself. I'm sure you would have guessed the song by now. So here you go. गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलाक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसराराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताशयाय गीतवाद्यपतवे ध्येयचरिताय गायगवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकुपे गायकाधीनविग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीसनन्दनाय गौरीहृदनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि Thank you all. I can't hear you, but yeah, I'll take your feedback later. How exactly did you like it? So, moving on. Thank you.
Yeah, very much, very much.
Yes.
Lovely beginning.
Thank you so much.
In fact, after every song, or once and after every 2 songs or something like that, you can take your microphones off mute and speak your heart out.
Yes. So there is something fun also we'll try to do this evening. So Just wait for it. So I have something interesting for you. So because we are talking about life, ज़िंदगी की बात कर रहे हैं, तो I would like to, talk about, maybe we can take for instance a little boy who is now, just born and, he's with his family, his parents. And then अगर मैं किसी को भी पूछूं यहाँ या फिर कहीं और कि आपकी ज़िंदगी की सबसे अच्छे पल कौन से हैं, सो आप डेफिनेटली बचपन के ही नाम लोगे, राइट? क्योंकि हम ज़िंदगी की बात कर रहे हैं तो बचपन सबसे खूबसूरत है सबका ही। अगर किसी से भी पूछोगे वही कहेंगे। सो मेरा नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग जो है मैं बचपन को ही डेडिकेट करना चाहता हूँ। इट इज़ बाय वन ऑफ माय वेरी फेवरेट सिंगर, श्री जगजीत सिंह जी, एंड आई एम श्योर यू वुड हैव गेस्ड द सॉन्ग बाय नाउ। हियर यू गो।
दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। वे दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। मोहल्ले की सबसे निशानी पुरानी, वो बुढ़िया जिसे बच्चे कहते थे नानी, वो नानी की बातों में परियों का डेरा, वो चेहरे की झुर्रियों में सदियों का फेरा, भुलाए नहीं भूल सकता है कोई, वो छोटी सी रातें, वो लंबी कहानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। कड़ी धूप में अपने घर से निकलना, वो चिड़िया, वो बुलबुल, वो तितली पकड़ना, वो गुड़िया की शादी पे लड़ना झगड़ना, वो झूलों से गिरना, वो गिर के संभलना, वो पीतल के छल्लों के प्यारे से तोहफे, वो टूटी हुई चूड़ियों की निशानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी। वो जिंदगानी, ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी.
Thank you all. Maybe we can have a little bit of interaction now. So, what do you think?
You sounded like Jagjit Singh for me when you close your I closed my eyes, and it was sounding just like that.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Really, very nice.
Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Thank you. So the next song, before I sing it, I have a little let's play a little game. I mean, Chris sir, I think I'm allowed to share. There is a picture that I'm going to share with you, and you'll need to guess the actor and also the song. Right? Ready for that?
Yeah, let's see.
So here you go. You can maybe just unmute and tell me your... Can you see the picture on the screen?
Can't see the. Yeah, Biswajit.
Yes. So can you guess the song?
Is it Joy Mukherjee?
No, is it Biswajit?
Biswajit, sorry. Correct, right.
Yeah,
Biswajit.
she's right. He is Biswajit. Anybody
Yeah.
who can guess the song?
कौन पुकारता चला हूँ मैं?
Oh wow. Let's give a round of applause to ma'am. I think
Yeah,
she's
I love
nailed
that
it.
song.
On the spot. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Kamal, I would like to share something that Jayalakshmi
Yes.
is an actress herself.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Works in the Kannada film industry.
Yeah. Kannada. I passed from FTII Pune.
Oh wow. That's
It was long back, you know. Shabana Azmi and all were my colleagues actually then.
uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's such a lovely coincidence.
Yeah. Even I like to sing. I love to hear music and sing also.
Wow. So we'll want to definitely hear something from you today.
Definitely. I would like to.
Sure. So because you guessed the song right, I'll maybe, go ahead and sing it for you.
Oh, thank you.
पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। ये दिल लगी ये शौखियाँ सलाम की, यही तो बात हो रही है काम की। कोई तो मुड़ के देख लेगा इस तरह, कोई नजर तो होगी मेरे नाम की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। सुनी मेरा सदा तो किस यकीन से, घटा उतर के आ गई जमीन पे। रही ये लगन तो है दिले जवान, असर भी हो रहेगा एक हसीन पे। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। कोई मिले जो रोक ले पुकार के, यूं ही जरा बढ़ा के हाथ प्यार से। इधर भी फेंक दे अदा की कली, गुजर चले हैं दिन यूं ही बहार के। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं।
Thank you all.
Beautiful. Thank you for singing the song.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's my favorite song.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Kamal, wonderful.
Wonderful, Kamal.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Nice to hear live. Wonderful, wonderful.
Avinash ji, thank you so much. Ramchandra Rao garu, thank you.
Yeah, excellent.
Wonderful, Kamal. Great
Thank
win.
you. Thank you. Thank you all.
Hi.
Unique and beautiful. Kamal, now I just want to bring into the picture Mala Kotanraman, my colleague. We worked together in SMA Nirvana.
Sure.
I've just requested her to speak a few words about SMA Nirvana, so that
Sure, please.
there is a different frame of mind with which you will listen to Kamal after that. And another small little, but a very beautiful thing, Mohit is driving and listening to your program.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes.
So over to you.
Hi. Hi, good
Mala.
evening. Yeah, thank you, Krish. Hi, good evening. How are you all doing? I'll just say a few words or a few lines about SMA Nirvana. SMA Nirvana brings free 60-minute online live music concerts to bring people together. We tie up with NGOs across India to perform these charming live concerts, especially for people who cope with illness, pain, or loneliness, or to people who seek joy and want to feel as a part of a community and enjoy music. This is a small write-up about SMA Nirvana, which I wanted to talk to you guys about it. Thank you so much.
Very nice, very nice.
Thanks a lot. Over to you, Kamal.
Thank you, Malaji, for that. So we spoke about the small boy who's growing up, right? In the beginning of, when we started off. So this boy is now slowly grown up a little, and it's time for him to actually, pursue his passions and leave home. So any song that comes to your mind with this context?
Growing up.
Yes, he's grown up and he's off to college outside. He's leaving home to
College
pursue.
song?
Yeah.
College song. Any song? So many are there, no? One song.
Any one? Maybe if you could guess.
Kamal, shall we give her a clue?
Yeah, please. Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me a clue. So many are there, no?
We'll make sure Jayalakshmi answers every question.
No, let us. Don't take it for granted. Just a fluke. Which is this thing, clue?
So it features a horse buggy. Right, Kamal?
Yes.
It's about a traveler.
It's about a traveler
हाँ फिर
who's
हूँ यारों.
absolutely. Bingo, you seem to know all the answers.
No, when you to travel है ना तो मुसाफिर आ गया मेरे को.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So ये मुसाफिर अभी घर से निकल पड़ा है.
अच्छा
चलिए इसी मूड पे एक गाना सुनाता हूँ आपको.
मुसाफिर हूँ यारों, ना घर है ना ठिकाना. मुसाफिर हूँ यारों, ना घर है ना ठिकाना. मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. मुसाफिर हूँ यारों, ना घर है ना ठिकाना. मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. एक राह रुक गई तो और जुड़ गई. मैं मुड़ा तो साथ साथ राह मुड़ गई. हवा के परों पर मेरा आशियाना. मुसाफिर हूँ यारों, ना घर है ना ठिकाना. मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. दिन ने हाथ थाम कर इधर बिठा लिया. रात ने इशारे से उधर बुला लिया. सुबह से शाम से मेरा दोस्ताना. मुसाफिर हूँ यारों, ना घर है ना ठिकाना. मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना मुसाफिर।
Not able to hear.
Electricity failure, this is probably.
Oh.
मुझे is sound coming?
No. I think
No. There is a failure of electricity at Kamal's end.
Kamal's side, yeah, can't hear him.
Is Kamal aware of that? That
I
he cannot
can
be
hear.
heard?
He's nodding. Probably he knows.
Okay.
He knows. He's showing thumbs
Yeah,
up.
we'll simply wait for.
Yes, it is. He's back.
He's back.
Yeah, I thought something happened to my.
This is changeover. Power failure is there, changeover is there now. Again it will come.
Technical is always like this, no?
Can hear me directly. I think we can just interact for a bit till the power is back. It'll just take a few minutes.
There, acha.
Oh yes.
Oh, for the music system.
Oh,
But I
oh,
can
We
hear
have mic and
the
music.
Yeah.
It'll take a couple of minutes.
Kapil, this gives me opportunity to say hi to you.
Hello, Avinash ji.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको देख के.
And good to see you here.
Yes, I know.
I can
And
see a
same
lot
for
of.
me. Hello everyone.
Hi,
Yes,
Mohit.
hello all.
Hi to all. So nice. So you're
Hi,
studying or
everyone.
you're working? What are you doing, Kamal?
I'm actually working. I'm an IT professional. I can see.
Mohit
Yeah,
ji.
So
Sure,
Mohit
all
is
of
all of you
all
meet
of-
Mohit Malhotra, Jayalakshmi,
Huh.
and every one of you. So
Okay.
he's all strapped up and nice. He's driving.
The
He is
car, yeah.
Kamal's teacher in Shankar Mahadevan Academy.
Oh, great.
Oh.
Himself a wonderful artist, and so it was he who mooted the idea of getting Kamal to perform.
So
And
nice, so nice. You're singing very nicely.
Yep,
Kamal
I
sings
have been there.
wonderful.
I've been there like since the beginning of the show.
Okay. I
So
Thank you,
good
should.
evening,
Girish ji.
all. I would like to
I-
introduce myself. I am Ramchandra Rao here and resides just besides Mr. Kamal. We are in the same society. So we are
Acha.
lucky to have this guy. And one more thing, we formed small group for this, music and all. And
We
under
also
Kamal's
do that.
guidance and all, it's going on well. I
We
want to,
also do that,
yeah. Thank you.
wonderful.
Thank you, Ramchandra ji. In fact, I can see a few other familiar faces also here
Yeah.
from the music group in our society here. So yes,
Nice
some
to
of them
have
have
a
joined.
group.
Yes.
And
So
this particular
sometimes we
song,
will have jam sessions and all. We will practice and all these things.
Yeah,
Mr.
nice.
Kamal will is giving training for us.
Tips,
Oh, great.
tips, yeah.
Ah,
Do that
we've been
also.
talking to Kamal to have you over next.
Sorry, Krishna, you were saying something?
Can you all hear me? Yeah, I've said
Yeah.
that this morning only we've been talking to Kamal to have you over to sing.
I think Kamal power has come, I think.
Yes, it has come, yes.
or resumed, yes.
Okay, so this is actually really nice of living in the same society and joining an online meeting. Ramji is telling Kamalji to
So our group is pretty,
Let's hear
sought
that.
after here because some of the people who you see here on the screen actually are good singers, and we perform at every possible occasion here,
Occasions.
and we get together to practice.
That's wonderful. We need a lot of artists.
Even
So
we
I
do
think-
that.
Spoken to Kamal this
And
morning.
most of the guys are retired guys.
Yeah,
Hello.
even in Bangalore it's like that. We have a senior citizen group. हम लोग सब मिलते हैं, गाते हैं. We have good fun.
So please bring them over. And Mala, just this morning we were speaking, and we are getting them over for a performance.
Awesome. That's what we want. Thank you,
And,
Mohit. He promised me he will share his student's number last time when I approached him. He said, I'm a little busy, but I'll try to share my contacts, and he has kept up his end of the bargain. Thank you so much.
So Mohit was actually very symbolic. Musafir. So someone traveling and
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mohit ji seems to be the Musafir right now.
Absolutely. Enjoying the songs and your
Thank you.
interaction with everyone.
So just let me know if you want me to repeat the song. I was almost done with it. So if you want to hear it again, maybe I can sing. If not, I'll move on.
You can sing the second antara.
Yeah, the last one you missed,
Okay.
I think.
And Jayaji actually seems to know all the answers, huh?
Exactly, yeah.
Whatever is coming, I'm telling, but something is, clicking.
Yes.
There is Jaya also acts out certain songs.
Yes.
I said peppy numbers.
In
No,
the session, I remember, in the session that we did once, Jayaji was
Lata Mangeshkar session.
Dignity,
Tribute to Lata
Dignity
Mangeshkar.
Foundation, yes.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I think Jayaji now remembers me, huh?
Yes, your face is familiar.
Oh, because I'm not.
No, really. I'm not joking. It's really, I feel I have seen you somewhere,
He
Now
performed Kishore Das songs once for Dignity.
Oh, yes.
Not once, I think 2-3 times he has performed.
Yes. It has been like 2 or 3 times I've performed.
Yes. Now I got you, Mohit. You sang so nicely. I know. Naturally, you will have
Thank you
to.
so much.
You're guru of Kamal.
Oh, no.
Okay.
We're just friends sharing music to each other. That's it.
Yeah. It connects people. Music connects everybody together.
It does. I totally agree.
Yeah.
So I am continuing with the second antara of the same song. Let's hear it. Let me know if you're able to hear it.
Kamalji, I think
that same. Just check for that original sound for musicians. I think that setting
okay, that is off. You're not able to hear.
Yeah, it's breaking. You can hear, but breaking.
Let me know if. Is it okay now?
दिन ने हाथ थाम कर इधर बिठा लिया, रात ने इशारे से उधर बुला लिया, सुबह से शाम से मेरा दोस्ताना मुसाफिर हूँ यारों, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना, मुसाफिर हूँ यारों, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना।
Lovely.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Yes, मजा आया.
Hey,
Thank you, Avinash ji.
Kamalakar singing is always lovely.
Suri ji from my society again.
Okay.
So moving on, now this boy has moved out of this, his parents' home in pursuit of his, life. So obviously the next thing that happens is, he's yearning for love. He meets a girl. So जैसे ही किसी को प्यार हो जाता है तो ऑब्वियसली everything is rosy, suddenly the world is topsy-turvy, and then, these are the kind of songs, which come to your mind. So I'll sing a song from one of my favorite singers again, Jagjit Ji, and it's from a movie, if anybody could guess.
Is it, I'm just, होंठों से छू लो तो?
नहीं.
अच्छा.
It will be होश
Okay.
वालों को खबर क्या.
Oh, thank you so much. Who was that?
Which is a song?
होश वालों को खबर क्या. So this movie is actually from in the late 90s, and it's from a movie called Sarfarosh, starring Amir Khan. So it's from there.
It is also Kamal's favorite song. So whenever in childhood we made him sing songs, this is the only song he would sing.
Okay, so that's my cousin speaking. So
She came to know the song.
yeah.
Yeah.
Very
So
nice.
here you go.
होश वालों को खबर क्या, बेखुदी क्या चीज़ है. होश वालों को खबर क्या, बेखुदी क्या चीज़ है. इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, जिंदगी क्या चीज़ है. होश वालों को खबर क्या, बेखुदी क्या चीज़ है. उनसे नजरें क्या मिली, रोशन फिजाएं हो गई. आहा ला 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 ला. उनसे नजरें क्या मिली, रोशन फिजाएं हो गई. आज जाना प्यार की जादूगरी क्या चीज़ है. आज जाना प्यार की जादूगरी क्या चीज़ है. इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, जिंदगी क्या चीज़ है. खुलती जुल्फों ने सिखाई मौसमों को शायरी. ला 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 ला. खुलती जुल्फों ने सिखाई मौसमों को शायरी. झुकती आँखों ने बताया मैं कशी क्या चीज़ है. झुकती आँखों ने बताया मैं कशी क्या चीज़ है. इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, जिंदगी क्या चीज है। हम लबों से कह न पाए उनसे हाले दिल कभी। ला 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 ला। हम लबों से कह न पाए उनसे हाले दिल कभी, और वो समझे नहीं ये खामोशी क्या चीज है। और वो समझे नहीं ये खामोशी क्या चीज है। इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए, जिंदगी क्या चीज है।
Lovely, 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 Kamal. So soulful it was.
Thank you so much.
छू गया.
Thank you so much.
एकदम मस्त कमल, fantastic.
Thank you, thank you all. So one more love song for you.
Have good audience.
But before that, because you know Jayalakshmi ji said that she sings, maybe we'll want to hear a couple of lines from her.
Just one Pallavi I'll sing and one
Yes,
okay,
please.
one encore.
Yes, please.
It's an old song. I don't know if you know all that. Just very old. आए रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए, हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए। जा जा के ऋतु, जा जा के ऋतु लौट आए, हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए। झिले मिले वो तारे कहाँ गए सारे, झिले मिले वो तारे कहाँ गए सारे। मन बाती जले बुझ जाए, हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए। जा जा के ऋतु लौट आए, हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए। This is a very old song. It is,
She's a dancer too.
I'm yeah.
बचपन, answer to बचपन.
I'm a हाँ but yeah I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jayalakshmi ji. That was so beautiful.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you.
So moving on. In fact, the topic was love, and you know, love is always not the same. You know, once you enter into it, then you start getting, you know, thinking that okay, somebody will tell you be careful, right?
Yeah.
So इस बात पे तो काफी सारे गाने बने हैं, है ना? So I can think of one is बाबूजी धीरे चलना, right? But I'm not singing that. I mean, again, I'll maybe, you know, one of my favorites. आपने सुना है या नहीं पता नहीं. This is again yeah, semi-classical. It's a ghazal from a movie again by Jagjit Singh ji. Hope you like
Your
it.
favorite. Yeah, he's a great singer.
Good.
Nice.
नाजुक है ये मंजिल, मोहब्बत का सफर है। बड़ी नाजुक है ये मंजिल, मोहब्बत का सफर है। धड़क आहिस्ता से ऐ दिल, धड़क आहिस्ता से ऐ दिल, मोहब्बत का सफर है। बड़ी नाजुक है ये मंजिल, मोहब्बत का सफर है। कोई सुन लेना ये किस्सा, बहुत डर लगता है। कोई सुन लेना ये किस्सा, बहुत डर लगता है। मगर डरने से क्या हासिल, मगर डरने से क्या हासिल, मोहब्बत का सफर है। बड़ी नाजुक है ये मंजिल, मोहब्बत का सफर है। बताना भी नहीं आसान, छुपाना भी कठिन है। बताना भी नहीं आसान, छुपाना भी कठिन है। खुदाया किस कदर मुश्किल, खुदाया किस कदर मुश्किल, मोहब्बत का सफर है। बड़ी नाजुक है ये मंजिल, मोहब्बत का सफर है। उजाले दिल के फैले हैं, चले आओ न जानम, चले।
Again, current has gone, I think. Again, electricity problem for Kamal.
Some electricity failure.
Yeah, I can see, you know. Chhe. Nazar
It's
lag
about
gaya, Kamal. You got nazar. Yeah.
So I've seen three very young faces.
और या छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, सब सीख रहे हैं क्या?
Samar Patil, Pradipta Gupta, and Himani.
So
How
cute.
are you all enjoying the show, Himani?
Yes. He's illuminated now.
He's making such a little kid to sit and enjoy this sort of music. So you are really doing something great.
Wonderful. I find that
Hello,
he's
Kamal ji.
attention and watching the whole program.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Himani, can
Are
you say
you
a little bit
teaching
about?
them, Kamal? Are you teaching these kids?
No.
Okay.
I think they are learning from the academy, if I'm not wrong.
They are from the academy.
They are learning from the academy. Okay.
I'm guessing that. Himani, can you speak about what you do and how you are enjoying this program?
I thought that he sung very, very well. Very, extremely nice.
Okay. What do you learn? What music do you learn? What music do you learn?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Are you learning in Shankar Madhavan Academy?
Yes.
Which course are you doing?
100D Hindustani vocal.
Hindustani vocal. Okay. Wonderful to have you here.
Nice.
What about you, Pradipta? Do you like the program?
Yeah, ma. Yes, sir.
Ama.
Pradipta, where are you from?
Ama.
Which city are you from?
Yes, sir.
Is Telugu or Tamil?
मैं हिंदी
हिंदी अच्छा मामा बोल दिया.
It's quite witty.
Yeah.
Okay, as the
I enjoy this program.
you like it?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Very nice to hear that. Would you like to sing a line?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
A song.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes.
I have to take a tampura, then I can sing.
Oh.
Look at that. She won't sing without tantra. She is a perfect singer. Not hearing properly.
This is coming.
Internet is not good at Dhanaved.
Yeah. Same. I think you're all in the same area.
No. Pradipta is from somewhere else. Pradipta, you can try put off the tantra and sing. Probably the sound will come through.
Yeah. Video you can switch off.
So she can just turn off the tanpura.
Correct.
Yeah. We just want to hear your voice.
Ma'am, now my voice is coming clean.
Correct.
Yeah, yes, coming well. Breaking.
मेरी धड़कनों की खुशी तेरी धड़कन इजाद तेरी गाहों में ख्वाहिश सजनी है तेरे प्यार तेरी गंभीर
Well, internet problem is happening. Lovely.
Wow.
Oh, great. Very nice. Very nice.
Good.
You will become a great singer. Keep practicing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great. God bless
Wonderful.
you. All our blessings with you. Okay.
Wonderful, Pradipta. Keep it up.
Very well sung.
Yeah. That's listening to you. Definitely interested. Very nice.
Anyone else? Till my electricity is back, I think it'll take a.
Kamal ji, Rohit here.
Rohit, hi.
Hi. Kamal ji, kuch nahi, just wanted to convey you that me and my wife were onto a drive. We were fighting on something, and then you started singing, and we do not remember what we were fighting upon. The food got changed. Thank you so much for saving me with your lovely singing.
That was one of the best things I heard today.
I mean, husband to husband, it's a big compliment. But great program.
Thank you so much.
And every song is really nice. Today I'm listening to all of the singing. And I'm also right on my face. The starting song after that, after that, after that, after that, today I'm listening. And every song is excellent and nice. Up to this is my first program. I'm listening to directly.
Oh wow. Thank you so much.
Nice. It's song nice.
What about your money you would like to give your likes?
Kamalji, I think
Sorry, I'm unable to hear you.
I see we hear you could mute yourself by then.
Sorry, Mohiji, I couldn't.
We are not able to talk out what you're saying. सबकी आवाज
No sound.
I think you can hear me now. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Now,
Yeah, because Kamalji's audio was loud enough to so that's why.
Has the current come?
Not yet. Actually, I think it's about to rain in Hyderabad, so it's been a little cloudy today. So I think there's more frequent power cut. I think or maybe somebody wanting to watch the IPL is playing up with us. Yes, Mohit. Mohitji, you were saying something.
Yeah, that's it. Like others were talking and we heard a feedback because of that microphone. That's why. So we are waiting for the electricity to come back for you.
Yes, actually, although I have the backup, but everything is powered through.
Yeah.
So hence maybe we'll have to wait a couple of. It normally doesn't take so long.
What would you like to a couple of lines?
Sorry, couldn't Chris. Chris, yeah, what were you saying?
Kamal, nice songs you sang. You sang so nicely. बचपन से लेके अभी तक लाओ तक आए हैं और भी आना है।
बिल्कुल आना है, अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी था।
लाओ के शादी के बाद
वो मुझे रोहित जी से पूछना पड़ेगा।
या होना चाहिए।
Yes. Maybe, yeah, I think the power's back, thankfully. So,
yes.
In the meantime, I will, before I set it up, if somebody can sing a couple of lines, I think we'd want to hear someone from the audience.
Okay.
Mohit is ready to sing now.
So, has the power returned?
Yeah.
Yes, it has come back, sir.
Which is the next song?
So, अब प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें हो गई. So, the other thing which happens after that obviously is a heartbreak. So, like I mentioned, जैसे सुरों का उतार चढ़ाव से जिंदगी या संगीत बनता है, वैसे ही जिंदगी में उतार और चढ़ाव तो होता है. So, I would love to sing a very old song, much before maybe I was born, but again, pretty close to my heart.
You have to check the setting.
Is it audible?
Yes.
It's again a Mohammad Rafi ji ka song, and hope you like it.
याद न जाए बीते दिनों की, जाके न आए जो दिन, दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें, दिल क्यों बुलाए. याद न जाए बीते दिनों की, जाके न आए जो दिन, दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें, दिल क्यों बुलाए. दिन जो पखेरू होते पिंजरे में मैं रख लेता, दिन जो पखेरू होते पिंजरे में मैं रख लेता, पालता उनको जतन से, पालता उनको जतन से, मोती के दाने देता, सीने से रहता लगाए. याद न जाए बीते दिनों की, जाके न आए जो दिन, दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें, दिल क्यों बुलाए. तस्वीर उनकी छुपा के रख दूं जहाँ जी चाहे, तस्वीर उनकी छुपा के रख दूं जहाँ जी चाहे। मन में बसी ये सूरत, मन में बसी ये सूरत, लेकिन मिटे न मिटाए, कहने को है वो पराए। याद न जाए बीते दिनों की, जाके न आए जो दिन, दिल क्यों बुलाए उन्हें, दिल क्यों बुलाए। याद न जाए बीते दिनों की।
बहुत अच्छा।
Very nice, very nice.
बढ़िया कमल, एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास।
थैंक यू सो मच अविनाश जी। Just a time check, Chris sir, how much time do we have more?
इसको जोड़ के कमल और एक गाना आप गाओ, अगर आपके पास है तो मैं सजेस्ट करूं।
बोलिए सर।
वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए।
ये गाना डेफिनेटली बहुत ही अच्छा है। आपको आती है? आप प्लीज थोड़ा 2 लाइन सुना दीजिए।
2 लाइन
मुझे इतनी अच्छी से नहीं आती।
अब मुझे कितने आते हैं मालूम नहीं, आप बताओ।
कोई बात नहीं, आप सुना दीजिए।
ये याद से जुड़कर था, वो मेरे सामने आया, इसलिए मैं
अच्छा अच्छा।
वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए, वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए। गमे जिंदगी के अंधेरे में हमने चिरागे मुहब्बत जलाए बुझाए। वो जब याद आए, बहुत याद आए।
बहुत बढ़िया।
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you, Avinash ji.
You know, very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Krish,
So-
I have one more song, though he sings really well.
Yeah. Absolutely. Kamal, go ahead.
Yes. So there's one song, again, you know, one of my favorites. It's not exactly on a heartbreak, but again, it's a very melodious song by Ghulam Ali ji. So it's a ghazal. So I would like to perform that for you.
Lali.
हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह, हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। सिर्फ एक बार मुलाकात का मौका दे दे, हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह, हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। अपनी आँखों में छुपा रखे हैं जुगनू मैंने, अपनी आँखों में छुपा रखे हैं जुगनू मैंने, अपने पलकों पे सजा रखे हैं आंसू मैंने। मेरी आँखों को भी बरसात का मौका दे दे। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। आज की रात मेरा दर्द मुहब्बत सुन ले। आज की रात मेरा दर्द मुहब्बत सुन ले। कब कपाते हुए होठों की शिकायत सुन ले। आज इज़हार ख्यालात का मौका दे दे। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। भूलना था तो ये इकरार किया ही क्यों था। भूलना था तो ये इकरार किया ही क्यों था। बेवफा तूने मुझे प्यार किया ही क्यों था। सिर्फ दो चार सवालात का मौका दे दे। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। सिर्फ एक बार मुलाकात का मौका दे दे। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह। हम तेरे शहर में आए हैं मुसाफिर की तरह।
Lovely, such a
Thank you so much.
song.
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे।
Beautiful.
A beautiful song. What lyrics ना कितना
बहुत ही खूबसूरत है।
beautiful. sang very well, Kamal.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jayalakshmi ji. So I think we are actually, Chris sir, I mean, are we on time or do we?
Yes, we want one last one parting gift.
Sure, okay. Okay, I'll sing maybe one of my favorites, which I used to sing during school times. Let's see if, you know. So here you go.
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें। कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें। कभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर न आए, नजर न आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते। कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते, कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते। है मीठी उलझन बैरी अपना मन, अपना ही होके सहे दर्द पर आए, दर्द पर आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। दिल जाने मेरे सारे भेद ये गहरे, खो गए कैसे मेरे सपने सुनहरे। दिल जाने मेरे सारे भेद ये गहरे, खो गए कैसे मेरे सपने सुनहरे। ये मेरे सपने यही तो है अपने, मुझसे जुदा ना होंगे इनके ये साए, इनके ये साए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में। कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए।
फैंटास्टिक, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
Thank you so much,
A very
Avinash ji.
evergreen song, and you sang so well. It's one of my favorite songs.
Thank you so much.
Everybody's favorite. Everybody's favorite.
Thank you all very much. And Kamal, thanks for making our evening very beautiful. And
enjoyed.
Just one little thing I want to share. I'm going to put something in the chat. If any of you would like to receive an invitation to watch SMA Nirvana programs, I'm very happy to say that we have done more than 475 programs. We are nearing the 500th concert very soon. This year it will be completed.
Chris, I don't get the link sometimes. If you send me the links.
So I'm just about to, please send a little message with your phone number to this email ID that I have put there. trust@shankarmahadevanacademy.org.
I think you can send me. You got my number, I think.
Yes, I will do that. So others, please note down this email ID. Just we are not able to share a phone number with you, so which is why this is handy.
Yeah.
Very simple ID, trust@shankarmahadevanacademy.org. You just have to write, please invite me to SMA Nirvana programs, and put your number out there. Okay, thank you very much.
What is that? What is that?
So we have this concert series called SMA Nirvana. The idea is to bring people together like this over music.
Can you just repeat the email ID?
Yeah, it is trust, TRUST, trust.
TRUST, trust. At SMA Nirvana.
Trust@shankarmahadevanacademy.org.
Okay.
And also you can specify what kind of music you are interested, so that when we perform, we can send you the links.
Okay.
So back to you, Kamal. So how did you enjoy the show?
It was an absolutely, I would say blissful experience, and thank you so much to SMA. Thank you so much, Chris sir, Mohit ji, for giving me the opportunity. And you were a wonderful audience. I mean, I'll have to say that because it was so interactive, in spite of 2 power cuts, and there was some kind of interruption. But again, we had a lovely interaction, and my evening is made. In fact, I'll be in this mood for the rest of the week, I'm sure. Thank you so much.
You made our moods,
Thank you so much.
You sang really well, Kamal. You are a wonderful person, I know, and you sing still wonderful.
Thank you so much, Avinash ji, for your kind words.
From reaching his destination, he has stopped somewhere in the way and he's listening.
I would want to.
Oh, he's traveling. Musafir. Nice song for him.
I know. He's be on the move.
Oh, only two lines for Kamal. फिर मिलोगे कभी इस बात का वादा कर लो, तो कर लो वादा।
बिल्कुल
छोड़ के दिल अभी
क्या बात है। Can you sing a couple of more lines? I think that's a lovely song.
Yeah, lovely song.
Himani, would you like to conclude and sing a couple of lines?
Yeah. We want to hear you. She sing well, I feel. तानपुरा चाहिए.
Again, some problem with the audio. Never mind. We'll get in touch with you, Himani. And thank you for staying right through till the end of the program. It's very, very gracious and very respectful to the artist. Wonderful. Hats off to you. And thank you, everyone else. And
Everybody,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir, to
Thank you
also.
all. Thank you so much.
Bye.
You
Okay,
and
bye-bye. Bye,
all
Kamal.
of
Bye.
you.
See you
Yeah.
sometime.
Thank you and bye-bye.
Yeah,
Bye
thank you.
bye.
Good
Thank
all.
you. Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
bye-bye.
Bye bye.
So I am closing the program. Bye-bye. Thanks, Mohit.